In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use the line stats function, or what I like to call linest. So you notice I have some data, I've made a plot, I fit it with a trend line. What line stats will do is give me more information about that trend line. So this is the function linest. I need the y values first, then the x values. For the last two arguments, I want true to tell it not to force the intercept to 0, and another true to tell it to give me extra statistics. And you see I get a set of 10 cells here keyed off of this one. The first row is clearly the slope and the intercept of my fit. The second row is the standard error in those numbers. So this is essentially the uncertainty in the slope. It's telling you the uncertainty in the slope is approximately 0.16967. The third row gives me the r-squared value, which is already on the graph, and the standard error in the y values. The rest of this isn't as interesting to us. It's an F statistic, some other stuff. You can see it's documented down here what the rest of that is. But we're mostly interested in these first two rows because it gives us more detail about the slope and intercept and the uncertainties in those quantities.